how safe is the client's money? What happens if Cornerstone faces financial difficulties?
That question is really interesting because we always encounter it. Investors are always wondering, what happens if Cornerstone is not here today? What happens if maybe something goes wrong? So just to reiterate a bit of what Joe has said, we maintain a disciplined investment process underpinned by thorough research and active investment. And because of that, our portfolios are diversified, so we'll always be proactive to see where trouble is coming from, but not just that, proactive to take advantage of opportunities that may not be common to, a normal eye. So in that strategy, we find that it's naturally safe. But beyond that, the way the unit trust structure has been set up, having a trustee, having a custodian, it means that the assets have been separated from the operations of Cornerstone. So even if Cornerstone would be having some form of financial difficulty, there's absolutely no way we can touch on the portfolio. Our trustee has just mentioned a few minutes ago that in executing their role, they have to make sure that we keep that fiduciary responsibility. We pick securities that are supposed to be picked. We invest the way we've promised to invest. But also, we don't find ourselves in funny pockets. That said, what happens when maybe we hit a roadblock? The trustee has a couple of options available inside their briefcase. One, they could choose to appoint another fund manager. And that's why when Patrick was presenting, he said he's representing you, the unit trust investor. So he can actually appoint another fund manager. And it has happened before in this industry when a provider exited and they had to turn over the portfolio to another provider. But let's say maybe there's no provider that wants to take on the portfolio. What happens? The trustee, in their power, they can choose to liquidate the fund, and they liquidate it as at yesterday's balance. Now, the good thing, if you look at how we've invested, we're largely in interest-bearing securities. These are priced on a daily basis, so we can easily liquidate them even within maybe at most like 3 or 4 days, and you have all the investors getting their money. Now, what that means is at any given point in time, your portfolio is safe. You know that you have a trustee who is rooting for you, but also you know that you have a fund manager whose job is to wake up every single day to make you rich. And we take pride in that. So you should have confidence that we're here to stay. We've had a phenomenal 2025, and 2026 is already looking very, very strong, notwithstanding the challenges, inflation, etc., fuel prices, etc. But that's why you're here. That's why we're here, to make you rich, to give you the 15% return, and it's going to get better.
Thank you, Simon.